This is 316 Furnace, apartment 6. Doing a move out at the living room. Remove all the trash. Remove the curtains and curtain brackets from the windows. Replace the smoke alarm. Walls are all in good shape. You have the living kitchen. Move the trash. Have the floors cleaned. Refrigerator needs cleaned inside and out. Stove handle is broken. Stove needs cleaned. 4 new drip pans. Move the trash off the sink and the countertops. Cabinets need to be wiped down inside and out. The trash removed. Blinds are good. Walls. Remove the smoke alarm battery plate out of here. Are clean. Paint the doors. The doors actually need painted. Go down the hallway. Sweep up the hallway. Put a smoke alarm up. Walls are clean. In the bedroom, move the trash out of here. Floor swept up. We need the smoke alarm in here. Walls are all clean. In front of the bathroom, floor needs cleaned. We need drywall work done. And we need to paint the bathroom. There's a tile on the wall. Clean the bathtub and recaulk it. Take down the broken mini line. Clean the sink and the cabinet and the vanity. So it needs a good cleaning. This is 316 Furnace, number 6.